The Deebot X2 Omni is not your average robot vacuum. It's packed with features like an automatic hot water mop wash, 8,000 PA suction, advanced AI obstacle avoidance, an onboard security camera, and more. But with great power comes a high price. Stick around as we explore the X2's many features, discuss its capabilities, and more to decide if this robot is worth the investment. I had the chance to try the X2 Omni in my own home, and I have to tell you, this thing can do just about anything, with a few notable exceptions. Hey everyone, I'm Sarah from EssentialHomeandGarden.com. Today we're going to talk about ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni Robot Vacuum. I'm going to tell you what I like about this premier vacuum, where I still see room for improvement, and if it's worth that higher price tag. But before we begin, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated on all things Essential Home and Garden. Your support means a lot to us. Let's start with an overview of the Deebot X2's specifications. This robot boasts an unparalleled 8,000 PA suction power, solid-state LIDAR navigation, and a square shape which allows for greater suction area. Like its predecessor, the Deebot T20, it has a hands-off Omni station that automatically cleans the mop heads with hot water. One very unique thing about this vacuum is that it responds to voice control. You can tell it to go vacuum around the cat box, go mop the bathroom, or just start cleaning the whole house. Now let's dive into the details. In terms of navigation, the Deebot X2 Omni uses solid-state LIDAR for mapping, giving it the same excellent mapping ability as other LIDAR robots, but with a lower profile for getting under furniture. Our test showed efficient navigation, and its TrueMapping 3.0 system, coupled with AIVI 3D 2.0 obstacle avoidance, kept my floors impressively clean even if I didn't have time to pick up all the kid and pet toys before I turned it loose. One very cool feature of this smart robot is that it automatically populates the map with furniture as it explores your house. This allows you to give specific cleaning commands such as vacuum under the couch or go mop under the dining room table. This docking station is a powerhouse. It does it all, fills the water tank, collects dirty water, empties the dustbin, and even dries the mop pads with hot air. It's like having a robot janitor for your floors. The Omni Station contains two large water reservoirs, one for dirty water and one for clean. These both hold about 4 liters, but because this thing cleans itself often, you can expect to have to fill and empty those water tanks about every 2 cleaning cycles, depending on your square footage. My one recommendation for the X2: opt for the white finish. Black is the primary color for this model, but white is an option. For me, the black finish attracted way too much dust and pet hair, which meant I had to spend extra time cleaning it, which didn't exactly reduce my cleaning chores. When it comes to vacuuming, the X2, with its 8,000 PA suction, is a beast. It tackled rugs, carpets, and hard floors effortlessly. However, it struggled a bit with high pile carpets and heavy particles like cat litter. So if you have either, it might not be the perfect fit. Compared to round robots, the unique square build of the X2 gives it more surface area. This allows it to have a much wider vacuum slot than other robots, meaning it takes fewer passes to get your floors clean. One feature I love about the Deebot line is the automatic mop head lift. When the robot encounters carpet, it will lift the mopping heads and only vacuum. This allows it to thoroughly mop hard flooring and vacuum everything else in one go. Let's talk about that mopping functionality. The X2 truly shines in this department with its dual spinning mop heads and automatic hot water mop wash. In my tests, it handled spills like a pro and even defeated dried-on messes, leaving my floors gleaming. The Omni Station's features, including the automatic hot water mop head washing, truly turn maintaining your hard flooring into a hands-free experience. Now let's talk about the smartphone app. It's loaded with features, which means there is a lot to navigate through, but it is fairly intuitive, and I found it to be less buggy compared to its predecessor. One standout feature is the security camera, which allows you to remotely control the robot and patrol your home using the live video feed. It's a bit random for a vacuum, but it can be surprisingly handy, especially if you have pets at home. Before I wrap up, let me share some tips for getting the most out of your Deebot X2. This robot has a small onboard dustbin that fills up fast. If your floors tend to have a lot of pet hair or debris on them, be sure to activate the frequent automatic dustbin emptying mode. If you have cats who like to mess with your RoboVac like mine does, utilize the child lock feature to keep your kitty from pressing buttons while the bot is trying to clean. Lastly, if you have a pet in your house or frequently have coarse particles on the floor, such as sand, be sure to take a look at the lab features and set the mode accordingly to get the best clean for your particular situation. Lastly, let's talk about maintenance and care. To keep your X2 running smoothly, be sure to keep up with deep cleans and parts replacements. The app makes this super easy by reminding you when different maintenance items are due. Keeping your RoboVac in top condition ensures longevity and optimal performance. And there you have it, our full review of ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni Robot Vacuum. If you want to dive deeper into the details, check out our comprehensive written review on essentialhomeandgarden.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.